And the forecast for trick-or-treating, Elyse, is something you're keeping your eye on this week, I'm sure.
Ooh, yes.
Yeah.
Well, generally this week we're kind of stuck in this very unsettled weather pattern where we're going to have many weather systems moving in and out of the region between now and Sunday, that's for sure. And one thing it is doing, keeping rain chances too this week. Here's the 5-day forecast for the peak at the weekend at the end of it. This 5-day forecast is really bookend by two big weather systems, one bringing rain today and tomorrow, one bringing rain Friday into Saturday. And in the middle, it's pretty nice. Highs will be in the low 60s. On Thursday. That'll be a nice change to the cool and damp day we're going to see tomorrow as well. Today, again, we picked up around ½ an inch of rain on average, that much in Buffalo and the Falls, just a little bit more actually. East Aurora a little more too, and then of course with a few areas that saw more rounds of rain or some heavier rainfall at times, we approached 3/4 of an inch. But add that on to the rain in store for tomorrow, we're going to end up with around 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rainfall for a 2-day rain total, because this weather system is still hovering over western New York. The low pressure system, the center of it, is actually right over our region, right over Lake Erie, and you can see all of the rain that is just encompassed with this weather system. One reason why the low pressure system, we know that low pressure center is right near us, it's because of the circulation of the rain, but also we have this big dry slot. That typically happens when the center of weather systems moves into a region like we have right now. But you do see a couple of showers over southern Ontario. Niagara Falls just getting clipped by the rain right now. No major rain for tonight until we get to tomorrow morning. But one thing you do see here from our Highmark sky cam, look at this. We've got some fog that has developed. Now, a lot of the thickest part of the fog is slightly above the ground, so it does look like a very hazy picture right now. So roads should still stay pretty clear tonight, but you might run into some pockets of heavy fog at times for your morning commute. And you do see here the current visibility across the region. It's very spotty depending on where that fog has really been allowed to settle in. Remember, we had that dry slot on the radar, so that's where some of the fog has really allowed to settle in. This time around, the rain tomorrow morning is actually going to help the clear the fog, mix it out a little bit. But we have rain in the forecast all day tomorrow. Highs only reaching the lower 50s because of the rain and the cloud cover. So here we go on Future Look again. Cloudy just for tonight, but by tomorrow morning here 7 a.m. you can see the rain moving in on western New York. We keep showers in the forecast pretty much all day tomorrow. It'll be off and on in nature, just like what we saw today, mainly scattered. Some heavy rainfall at time possible through tomorrow night. That's 5 o'clock tomorrow night. Keep showers for 11 o'clock tomorrow. Then finally by Wednesday, we start to dry out. We keep some clouds in the morning, some fog again Wednesday morning, and then we'll see some clearing for the rest of the day. Rest of the 7-day forecast, we get a nice mild break in the middle of the week before some more rain moves in heading into the weekend. We'll be back with more Channel 2 News coming up after this. Yeah, look at that. We got some fog and some